Now that we're in 2021, there are so many great ways to earn money online, including affiliate marketing, dropshipping and more. In this video, I will be going over and highlighting the best 5 ways, in my opinion, you can earn money online and at home in 2021. Most of these will cost you nothing to start up, but some can require an investment to start with. So the first way you can earn money online is by starting social media pages. Instagram is currently the best app to start a page on right now because of the recent Reels feature that has been added and the huge number of users the app has. TikTok can also be a great option because of how easy it is and how fast it is to grow. By creating pages around themes and topics, you can sell promotions and shoutouts. In my experience on Instagram, you can earn anywhere from $30 to $100 per shoutout with only 10,000 followers, obviously depending on your niche and your engagement levels. That number only goes up as your followers do, so it can be a great way to earn money from selling promotions, but also selling merchandise or even dropshipping. All of this comes at no cost as you grow it and post content that you've accumulated from the web or other pages, or your own content that you can just make for free. If you're into video games, that can be a great niche to start Instagram pages in, as that is very popular and very easy to post content for. The second way to earn money from home is by using ClickBank. ClickBank is a platform for affiliate marketing where you can promote product with your affiliate link and earn a commission for each sale. You can find a product that has a high conversion rate, and in ClickBank that is known as gravity, meaning that when other people have promoted it, it's sold a lot of products. And then you can promote that on social media pages including Instagram and TikTok, and also around the internet. You do need to make sure the niche and the pages you're promoting on with your affiliate link has to be relevant to the actual product. This will lead to more sales and obviously more revenue. ClickBank is free to start and sign up. You just have to fill in a form and it takes about a day to review your account and then you're good to go. And there are a lot of high paying products on there with commissions up to 40% higher sometimes on each product you sell. It can be a great way to earn money from home as there's little work involved in the process. The third way and the most popular you can earn money online is through dropshipping. You have most likely heard of dropshipping from YouTube channels like Bierheza, but you do not know how effective it can be in the current market. With more people buying online, in short, dropshipping is where you open a store, often a Shopify store, and sell products from AliExpress or a cheaper alternative for a higher price. When the customer makes an order from your site, you ship it directly from AliExpress to them while taking the profit. If you do not know what products to sell, you can use sites like DropshipRabbit, where it gives you products to sell, gives you descriptions, ads, prices and more to work with. You can promote your store through relevant social media pages, mainly Instagram, by buying shoutouts and promotions with the ads you just got from DropshipRabbit. There is no way to tell how much you can make dropshipping, but profit margins can be pretty high depending on your niche and the products you are selling. However, do keep in mind dropshipping is high risk as you have no idea of telling if your product will sell, but if it does, there are a lot of rewards that come with that. Dropshipping is very popular at the moment, so there are a few uncontested products, but you have to do a lot of research and find them products, or else they will just not sell because it's been done before. If you're interested in learning more about dropshipping, in my opinion the best channel for it is Bierheza. He teaches a lot about dropshipping and he also has a course, so you can go buy that and it's pretty cheap. However, make sure you do your research before going into dropshipping as it can be very challenging and expensive. The fourth way to earn money online, and which is my favourite, is to start a blog or website. This might sound hard, but with tools like WordPress and Blogger, it is very simple. You can get started in minutes actually with a custom domain, a fast and good looking website, all for under $30, so it is very cheap to start a blog or a website, so definitely a good option if you're looking to not spend much money. All you need to do is create high quality posts that will rank on Google, and you will soon start getting volumes of traffic. The best way your website and blogs will earn money is by showing relevant ads on your site, usually display on native ads, sometimes video, but it's not very popular. Getting these set up can be as simple as installing a WordPress plugin or just pasting a line of code into your site. You should usually expect to earn about $15 to $20 per 1,000 visitors on your site, and all you need to do is write some blog posts. So it's definitely a viable option if you're looking to do that. And this is my favourite, like I said. You can earn a lot of money doing this if you can get the volumes of traffic, which you can do if you write high quality content, and it takes little time. About 2,000 words is good enough, and it'll only take 2 hours or so. So if you write one post a week, you can get there pretty soon and you'll start making some money from that. So I will be making more videos about this, so subscribe for that. And this is a very low risk way of making money, unlike dropshipping. The final way you can earn money quickly online is by selling services on Fiverr. If there is something you are very good at, then you should look into selling that on Fiverr. Say you are very good at web design, you can start a listing on Fiverr or another freelance website, quickly showing some of your previous work and